Raider trading is an algorithmic day trading system built to execute momentum-based scalping strategies with speed, precision, and zero emotion. We're in short mode today. The leading gainer has shares to borrow and is clearly on the backside of the move. The system waits for a limit order to fill at 434 and scales in as price heads lower in our expected direction. As the price moves sideways and then drifts back above our cost basis, the software doesn't hesitate to de-risk the position to wait for a more decisive move. If price were to quickly reverse and break 440, the system would attempt a strategic double down to bring the cost basis up and immediately de-risk around break even to reposition for the next move lower. We don't get the strategic double down, but the price impulsively breaks lower. So the Raider trading software compounds on each red SL target until the last pending short order would exceed the maximum total position size and therefore books a juicy profit, allowing us to end the day up almost $800 with no human input. Head to raidertrading.com to sign up, watch the setup guide, and get everything installed in under 10 minutes. Your automated trading journey starts now.